Yo, what's up? We're currently at the bank as I wait for my banker to come call me. And look what we're doing. Just hit $1 million with NASDAQ. And yeah, so I'm closing all my profits right now. Let's do this. 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 Let's see that. Let's do this. It gets a bit crazy when you're closing all the profits. But I'm trying to secure that. Yeah, because I'm still waiting for 15:30. You know, and I'm going into it then probably. It's really, that's the part that's very tiring when you got a lot of trades. You have a lot of trades, and we're at the bank, you know. Fetching all the trade profits. We're fetching all the trade. Oh. There, got it right on that bar, you know, right on that bar. We've got it right there. So it's time to withdraw now.